Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, my 3-inch mattress topper queen size has arrived. It is a fairly small box, and it's nicely vacuum sealed all up in a nice little coil here. Now I do have my 12-inch memory foam underneath right here, and this particular one came out to be about maybe 11 and a half, almost 12 in my particular case. So this is going to add 3 more inches. And this particular memory foam mattress is a little bit firmer. I wouldn't mind it a little bit softer. So this is going to be a nice play to see if we can get this just a hair softer, see how the back feels. Now, just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box right below the video, top link will be this exact same 3-inch memory foam topper. I'll also link this mattress as well. I do really enjoy it, especially if you do want a little bit more firmer. It's like a medium plush, I think they call it. Looking forward to sleeping on this to see what transpires. So let's go ahead and get it out. Let's read the directions, see if it needs to air out or not. If it does need to air out, it actually is kind of late into the evening, 7 p.m. already. So I might have to set this up against my dresser and then put it on after a few days, but I'll let you know about that. Okay, according to the directions, they want to let it breathe for 40 hours or 2 days. They say walking on top of it will speed up the process. Now, I particularly don't have room to lay this flat. So again, what I'm going to have to do, actually, I might be able to, it's actually sheet cleaning day. Obviously, that's why this is all dirty down here. I might be able to put it flat on the ground, but I do need to get my robotic vacuum and do a little bit of dusting before I do put that down on the ground. I might have room right here. If I do, sweet. If not, when I'm not sleeping on it, I'll lay it across flat on the bed. I'll put it on there when I'm not sleeping during the 48 hours, and then I'll either like set it up against the window vertical. It should still air out if it's not flat, but I'll try my best to do it flat. They give you a little instruction card, and they also give you a little like almost paper opener clip. Do be careful when you are opening this as well, and it will start to come to life as you roll it out. Okay, as I'm rolling it out here, it's actually coming to life pretty quickly here, but again, I'm going to give it its full duration just in case. Underneath here, you almost have like some traction padding here, and then of course your little consumer notices, and then some straps for the edge. Now they are adjustable, so what I'll do is I'll put that underneath my mattress edge, latch that in really nicely there. Now there were some little like moisture packets that you get with, electronics and all that stuff. So do be careful about that. Don't trap that underneath. Okay, it's coming to life here. You'll notice, obviously, it's only been a few minutes, but you'll notice like a couple ridges here as it comes to life. So again, I got it probably about 4 hours before I'm going to bed tonight. I'll just let it sit like this, making sure obviously the dog doesn't jump on top of it and get it dirty. And if you are wondering, there is no chemical smell. I got up right up against it. I'm not smelling anything funky. And the same thing when I purchased my underneath mattress, there wasn't anything different in between the two, which is very nice as well. So they've come a long way with the technology, that's for sure, than like 15 plus years ago. So we'll let that come to life. To be honest with you, the edge is at least 3 inches. The ridge has already gone down a little bit here, so I'll leave it up to you. If you're whipping out the measuring tape, depends how warm your house is. It's about 68, 70 degrees in this room right now during wintertime, so that probably helps out a little bit as well. Be back with you. Alrighty, great news if you are using a waterproof mattress protector. This is a bamboo fiber one here, and let me go ahead and show you here. So the bamboo fiber mattress protector actually goes around the 3-inch and then the 12-inch, and then these straps. I just loosened it up. I didn't want it too tight on here, but you don't want it to budge, so we'll give it a go for the first night. And if I need to latch it up a little bit tighter, I will. But great news that my bamboo mattress protector goes over both easily. Still has some room, actually. I'm going to put on my sheets. We're going in for the first night. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my cute little puppy loves the mattress topper, as do I. It definitely has added a little bit more softness to my mattress. So if you were like on the fence and you purchase more firmer and you're like, the little firmer is not working for me, add this to it and it's going to soften up that top layer. Now, let's go ahead and talk about this real quickly here. Now, it obviously is covered up, but with those little straps that I did show you, it has not moved at all. No shifting, no budging. That's absolutely fantastic. And sorry, the bed is a little dirty. She was out there in the grass. It has added height to the bed, which I do like as well. So now my mattress, it was almost 12 inches, so we're looking at like 14 to 15 inches height-wise. So that is definitely a nice added bonus as well. Like I said, she loves it. I've been enjoying it. Some nice, comfortable sleep on it. And that's going to give you a couple different options as well. Now, the company also does sell their own mattress protector. I'll link in the description box below, as well as this mattress topper. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your watching. Once again, your links are below. You guys have a wonderful day. My name is Chris.